Right, I know you're smiling pretty. Press the button. You know which button it is to turn it on. Press it hard. There you go. You manage? Put it up. Stand it up. Put your body. Your foot. You got Emily's hair shop. Right, put it off. Go and look at all this stew and all thing it's in. Look at Emily's hairs already. Look. Go and have a looky. Oh, it's mental, isn't it?
More.
Eh?
Yes, more.
More fit.
More.
More fit.
More.
Fit more hoover.
Yeah.
You get Medina all day?
Yeah.
Are you going to do it in your sleep?
Yeah.
Yeah, what? Look at Millie's face. She said, oh no. Look at the dog's hairs. Is there lots of Millie hairs?
Yeah.
Oh me. Dog's hairs?
Yeah.
Dad just hoovered in the morning, didn't he?
I'll be hearing.
What's she doing? Aye, is our pieces? Is Albie's supper or dinner ready or not? Albie's sandwiches?
Go near.
A fit?
Go near.
Aye, but you don't need to team it yet, it's alright.
What? What's noisy, Albie?
Is the hoover too noisy? What, is that better than Nana's hoover? Is Nana's hoover better than yours?
Yours.
You like Nana's best?
Yeah.
Well, you chose this one, didn't you? I didn't do the actual bracket. You've got to keep it up and then you press it. Press it down like that. You know that. Eh? Ready for the noise? Okay.